Hello fellow diamond painters and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing from Jaded Gem Shop, and as the thumbnail states, this is a mystery but no spoilers. I promise you I am not going to give any spoilers other than looking at the colors of the drills, and the drills are fall. This is a fall mystery, and Jade is going to be having on the Diamond Help Desk Discord server is going to have this mystery, and this is their mystery number 3 of the Crafter's Den. So I thought I want to give this a try. I love Jaded Gem Shop, have not purchased anything in a long time, and so I thought this would be really fun. It's not a very large canvas, so I thought this would be great, and I wanted something that I can work on in between the large ones that I'm going to be doing here shortly. So this on the end, typically with Jade, it is going to show what is in the painting, but because this is a mystery, it is not going to tell us. So this is going to be a 45 by 60. You can tell right there. That's what it is. It is a square. With Jaded Gem Shop, you can opt for a toolkit or for not a toolkit. I have plenty, so I never get a toolkit, but even though I don't get a toolkit, I still get Jaded's washi and also get a cover minder. This is a really cute apple. I don't have this one. And also, we have 4 release papers here if I want to cover them up, but I'm not going to cover this one up because it's already in black. So I will show you that because that's really cool. I've never purchased a mystery from Jade, so I heard really good things about how she ensures that it stays a mystery, and so I'm definitely interested in that. And once again, big question mark. So what is this? All I know is that it is fall. It has 46 colors, and you can opt either to have special drills or not. And I did get 4. So I got 4 special drills here, so we will see those. I'll go ahead and show you all the drills because I did have a subscriber who asked if I would show the drills, and so I will do that. I'll probably never get them back in order. Something about me and trying to get all of these long trains in order, I have the hardest time, but that's okay because I'm gonna be kitting this up sometime soon. And this does come on sticker paper, and so you can just pull off the sticker paper and put onto either baggies if you like to use those, or you can put onto containers, which I will definitely use. All right, guys, as I promised, no spoilers. And you're not seeing just a black abyss. This is the actual canvas. It is covered in black release paper, cover paper. It is very thick. I mean, you can hear that. It's really thick. Keep dropping it. Really thick there. And I'm not going to show you, but the canvas is in black and white. With Jade and her squares, it is a negative. Anyway, it looks like a negative anyway, so you couldn't really tell if you were looking at it. But just to be on the safe side, I'm not opening this. I don't want any spoilers either. I want this to be a surprise for me. So if you found out what this is, please do not tell me, because I want to find out as I go. I think what I'll do with this, and let me know your guys' thoughts. I'm going to keep this black paper on here, this cover paper, and I'm just going to use washi. And this may be really too thick and silky here to put washi on. But I'm going to try to put some washi on here, and I'm going to measure it, and I will just work that way. Or I may just even put numbers on it and work all around. I don't know if I want to go to that extreme, but it's going to be cool because I will not know what this is until I start working on it. And I will have, if any of you are interested, once I get to working on this and you want to see it, I can do a video and then just put spoilers, make sure that everyone is aware that there is a spoiler, that you will see what this is, but that's gonna be a while. So that is a canvas. Again, not much to see, which is exciting. That's what I want. Now let's look at all of these drills. Jaded's drills do come in these type of bags, and I love her drills. I'm thinking that they're Ever Moment, from Ever Moment. I cannot confirm or deny that. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But I do love these drills. They're so shiny, they are perfect, and they do not come in, actually they are. I was going to say they did not come in DMC order, but these are in DMC order. But look how pretty, look at that gorgeous red. It's like a reddish pink here. That is one of my favorite pinks, like a rose, dark rose pink. And then we have this one here. We have this purple. We have a little bit of this one here, and then this pink. Please ignore my nails. We are in the process of moving, and let me tell you, they look terrible. I'll even admit. Okay, so the special drills here, we have some crystals. That's a very light purple. We have gold here. I don't know what she calls these, but these are like fairy dust drills. That's what I call them. Shimmer drills. Everyone calls them something different. And then we also have the same ones in yellow. It's really hard to tell on camera, but that's going to be really pretty. I am not going to add any additional special drills to this because I don't know what it is. So here's some more here. I love that these are in DMC order. Also, you will have a schematic on both sides of your canvas. It's going to have the actual symbols, and then it's going to tell you the DMC number as well. We have two of the 550s. That's a deep purple, like a great purple. Then we have more of the dark reds and pinks. Then we have, this one's $9.39. That looks like a very dark blue. Is that a black? I think it's a navy, very, very dark. Then we have these two here, $9.15. That really pretty purple, pink there. And then we have a little bit of this one, 209. It's one of my favorite purples, very light, more like a lavender, but a darker. And then we have this 154. We have two bags of those. Then we have this 152, and there's 150. This one's, that's really pretty too. I haven't seen some of these colors. These are my colors. I just love these colors. They're just so pretty. They're gonna be bright. And I am so ready. I don't know about you guys. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for it. Everything about fall. So we have 3 bags of 310, and then there's another bag on another train. We have 4 rather large bags of 310. We'll see how that one goes. And we have this 327, another purple. So we have mostly purples and pinks and some reds in here. There's our other 310. Have a little bit of this peach. That looks more on here like a yellowish, but it's peach on this end. Then we have some light pinks. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so I am all about this canvas. I don't know when the Crafter's Den is going to start, if they even have like a start time that they're all going to work on their kits together. I think it's sometime in October, but if you would like to join, you can order through Jade. This one took me about 3 weeks, I think, to come in, so not bad at all. I was expecting longer, actually. So these are really pretty. And I'm getting to the point of having more kitted up than what I really want to, but I am going to be kitting this one up. I will be kitting it up. More than likely, I will do a video now that we're not settled in yet in our new place. We're getting there into our new place. I will be able to have more timely videos for you guys, and I will be able to do more videos. So that is the plan for now, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, before you leave, if you'd give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. That way you can be alerted or notified whenever I have a new video coming up, especially when I start working on this one. Let me know if you'd like me to do this as a series, and I can show you weekly what I plan on doing. It's totally up to you guys what you would like to see. I don't want to have any spoilers that anyone's going to see and be upset about. I will definitely put some stops in there so everyone will know that there is some spoilers coming up. So I think that would help as well, or at least that's my plan. But I haven't done a series. I haven't really done a series, and I haven't really done anything with mystery. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.